Welcome to the Tin Man Metalworks CNC Plasma Cookbook members area. First off, congrats on taking the first step toward turning your CNC plasma table into a real business and not just an expensive garage toy. Before you jump into the fun stuff, I want to make sure you don't fall into the traps that keep most CNC owners broke and frustrated. That's why your first stop should be the 10 Killers of New CNC Plasma Businesses video series. Watch it. Study it. Learn what not to do before it costs you time, money, and your sanity. Next, if you're serious about making money in this game, you need to become an expert in designing your own signs and metal art. That's why I built the free Inkscape sign drawing masterclass just for you. It's step-by-step, no fluff, no art degree required. While you're at it, download your free practice files file pack. Inside, you'll find pre-made monograms you can start cutting and selling today, plus thousands of sign elements to practice with and help you get your creative juices flowing. But this isn't just about cutting cool signs. If you're not tracking your costs, profits, and losses, you don't have a real business. That's why you need to take the free QuickBooks course. I can't stress this enough, this is a must-do in any business. Also, make sure you download your free copy of the CNC Plasma Survival Guide. This guide is loaded with the lessons and shortcuts I wish someone gave me when I started. Read it. Study it. Get ahead of your competition. And don't forget to download your CNC Plasma Roadmap. This is your step-by-step game plan to go from novice to running a CNC plasma business that makes your buddies jealous. Oh, and you're gonna love this. Grab the CNC Plasma Business Sign Pricing Calculator. This tool lets you price your work quickly, accurately, and with confidence, so you stop undercharging and start profiting. Welcome to the Tin Man Metalworks team. I'm excited to see your business grow. I'm rooting for you every step of the way. And don't forget to join our Tin Man Metalworks Private Business Growth Facebook page. I'll see you over there. Put in the work, and you will gain the money independence you've always wanted.